Okay, folks, welcome to January 2021. It is really coming down. The snow is just crazy. I can't believe this. I've been here for 27 years, and I don't think I've ever seen snow like this. We've gotten a few flurries here and there and a lot of ice storms, but nothing like this. This is just truly amazing. And I know for a fact this is the first time my car has ever seen snow. It's a 2017 model, and I'm glad I don't have to go out anywhere. I went grocery shopping yesterday and stocked up, so I don't need to go anywhere. But look at that road. The roads are terrible. That never happens. Usually the roads are warm enough that it just melts. You know, the snow melts on the roads as soon as it drops. Yeah, looks like, yeah, I'm gonna come over here because I wanted to show my wife. We don't have direct TV. None of the satellites can connect because our dish is full of snow. That's pretty crazy. So I'll walk down it. There's a couple down there. Got the right idea with an umbrella. I should have brought out an umbrella too. Yeah, it's about 1:30 in the afternoon, and this, I think, started around 9 this morning. And it's been snowing all morning and, you know, all afternoon so far, and I don't see it quitting. We're expecting up to FedEx delivery. We're expecting up to 3 inches, which is kind of crazy for Central Texas. There's somebody on the road. That's crazy. I would not be out here if I didn't have to be. And FedEx runs no matter what, and it's a Sunday. Good luck. You too. I gotta say, it is nice, and it won't last long, which isn't really good. Boy, look at that accumulation on the road. That's at least an inch and a half. This is pretty crazy. It is exciting. Don't get me wrong. I haven't seen snow like this since we left New York. So I'm gonna run around to the backyard real quick, just kind of give you a view back there, and then I'm gonna go in and get warm. Yeah, look at that. I don't recall seeing this much snow, I swear. Ground is completely covered now. And you can look back out there, you can just see it. It's just really coming down. Big flakes too. Yeah, you can see how much snow we're getting just by looking at the neighbors' roofs. And then look at those tree branches. I hope these tree branches, we don't lose any branches with the weight of the snow. And those poor olive trees back there, I hope they do fine. They're not used to this. It's just really bending them over. Gotta admit though, it is peaceful. And we brought all of the plants in. Brought all the plants up underneath the patio here so that they wouldn't be exposed to all that snow stuff. There ain't gonna be no grilling out here today, that's for sure. It's just too cold. Okay, folks, I'm gonna shut down and go back in and get warm, because this is unique for Central Texas. I gotta give it that. But makes for a pretty scene, and probably by tomorrow it'll all be gone and we can get back to normal. Because when it even threatens snow, the Austin area just shuts down, and that's the way it is. Yeah, I don't hear a lot of traffic back there on the main road either. So okay, time for some hot cocoa and staying inside and staying warm. Thanks for watching, folks. bye.